welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you the recipe for homemade probiotic. It's a traditional Indian homemade probiotic drink called as Beet Kanji, made with using beets as well as you can add carrots to it too. And then you can drink the the liquid as a probiotic drink as well as eat the vegetables pieces which become fermented, and you can add them to salads, etc.
Okay, so this is a very easy recipe. We start by using one large beet. Now I have used one golden beet, one half golden beet and one half regular beet, but you could use just one, regular beet. And then I have one long carrot here. So you're just going to cut it into thin, long slices, about, I would say, about 1.5 inches long or so, but it doesn't have to be exactly that. About roughly about that size is okay. Just make sure don't chop them very fine, because then you won't be able to take it out of the drink. The other main ingredient here is kala namak or black salt, and then also ground mustard or mustard seed powder. So if you are strict AIP, then you have to avoid the mustard seeds. But both of these together, the black salt and the mustard seeds, is what gives this drink its distinct flavor. And now we have to add 6 cups of filtered water, which is roughly about 1.4 liters or 1.5 quarts. And that's it. Now we just stir it with a spoon, so to make sure the black salt and the mustard is mixed uniformly, and that's it. And now we'll just cover it with a dishcloth, like a napkin, and you can also place just a lid loosely over it and then keep it on the kitchen counter for about 4 to 5 days and let it just ferment. So you let it stay for 4 to 5 days or until you see like bubbles on top. So now this has been in the counter for 4 days. See how you can see some fermentation on the top, and the smell too. You can smell like the fermented flavor, so you know that it's fermented. And if you let it stay for longer, like beyond 4 or 5 days, then it'll get even stronger, more pronounced. But I find it adequate about 5 days. And see, the vegetables, they are like also still hard. They don't become soft, but you can feel like, if you taste them, they become like they have a different taste. And you just take like about 2 tablespoons and have it just before your meals or along with your meals. And now once this is fermented, I'm just going to put it into 2 different containers and keep it in the refrigerator. If you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.